Hello everyone and welcome back to the Perfect French with Dylan. Today we keep going with passé composé and we are going to learn passé composé with the verb avoir, to have. We are going to see everything about féminin, masculin, singulier, pluriel. It's something that a lot of people struggle with, but when you will know the rule and how it works, it's actually pretty easy. The last 2 weeks we saw le passé composé, everything you need to know. Then last week we focused a bit more on le passé composé with avoir. The playlist is gonna be in the comment section and also in the description box. All the videos I'm going to talk about today are all going to be in the description box. Talking about videos, this week we are going to learn on Wednesday 20 words of vocabulary with accent circonflexe and how to pronounce it, so you will learn more vocabulary and get better at pronunciation. And then on Thursday we're gonna see the ways to say hi, bonjour. So don't forget to subscribe to not miss any of the videos. As usual, you can get the PDF on my website, theperfectfrench.com. However, I recommend you to get the free ebook on my website, 500 most common French verbs, how to conjugate them, how to use them. So in there you have everything about the most common verb, everything passé composé, imparfait, présent, you have it all. First, we are going to review very quickly the verb avoir, present tense, because this is how we build passé composé, if you remember. Then we are going to review very quickly manger, passé composé, and then we get to the rule. So we have j'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, on a, nous avons, we link, avons, vous avez, avez, ils ont, elles ont. Then if we want to conjugate manger, passé composé, well, we know that the participe passé of manger is gonna be manger with a e. Then we just need to add it everywhere. And we have j'ai mangé, tu as mangé, il a mangé, elle a mangé, on a mangé, nous avons mangé, vous avez mangé, ils ont mangé. So here you can see that manger doesn't take any pluriel, féminin, it doesn't change. Because manger does not change depending on the subject. It changes on something called the COD. So the rule is the participe passé, so here we just saw manger with a e, that's participe passé, remember? The participe passé becomes féminin, masculin, singulier, pluriel when the COD, the complément d'objet direct, is before the verb. That's it. That's the only thing you need to know. And how we found the COD, the complément d'objet direct, is very easy. You just need to ask qui, quoi, who, what. We are going to see 5 different sentences. We are going to do the process step by step together. So after that, it's going to be very easy. The first one, we keep the same, manger, to eat. So we know that the participe passé is manger with e. So let's take the sentence, j'ai mangé une pomme. J'ai mangé une pomme. I ate an apple. So to find the COD, the complément d'objet direct, you have to ask qui, quoi. In this case, it's going to be quoi, what. J'ai mangé quoi? What did I eat? Une pomme. Une pomme is the COD. So in this sentence right here, j'ai mangé une pomme is after the verb, so the verb doesn't change. But if we look at the sentence in a different angle, we have la pomme que j'ai mangée. La pomme que j'ai mangée. The apple I ate. So in this case, the COD is before the verb, so manger is gonna be EE. La pomme que j'ai mangée. The pronunciation doesn't change. The pronunciation will always be manger. And if we see the sentence again in another way, je l'ai mangé. I ate it. If we group la pomme into la, je l'ai mangé, it gets a bit more practical, a bit more complicated, a bit more advanced here. I'm not going to explain why it's before, etc. But so just for you to know, we also going to see these kind of sentences every time, but I'm not going to explain right now the different kind of pronoun and things like that. So I ate it. For us, the it is always before the verb. Je l'ai mangé. Je l'ai mangé. Technically, you don't know if L' is féminin, masculin, but you're supposed to know if you say that. You're supposed to know what you're talking about. L' means the apple, so it's a féminin. So je l'ai mangé will take a E. I hope it's starting to make more sense for you. Let's see a second one. Peser. Peser. To weight. Participe passé, same thing. The verb ending in ER, the participe passé is gonna be E. Peser. Il a pesé les légumes. Il a pesé les légumes. So here, il a pesé quoi? Les légumes. Les légumes is the COD. So in this case, it's after the verb, so we're not going to add a S to the verb. But if we change the sentences like the first example, we have les légumes qu'il a pesé. Les légumes qu'il a pesé. Well, légumes is masculin pluriel, so the participe passé will take only a S. Les légumes qu'il a pesé, so we don't change the pronunciation. Pesé with a S. And here, if we shorten the sentence, il les a pesés. Il les a pesés. Pesé with a S. Let me know in the comment section if that helps you, if you knew that before, if that makes sense, if you have any other question, just let me know. The third one we're gonna see is recevoir. Recevoir, to get. And here the participe passé is very different, it's just reçu. Reçu. Elle a reçu des cadeaux pour Noël. Elle a reçu des cadeaux pour Noël. So here, even though it's a L at the beginning, the subject is feminine, we do not add a E. But we need to find the COD. What is the COD? Elle a reçu quoi? Elle a reçu des cadeaux. Des cadeaux is the COD. Cadeau is masculin pluriel. If you don't know the rule about the gender of nouns, I have a rule that works 80% of the time, I would say. I will put the link in the description box for the video. Les cadeaux qu'elle a reçus pour Noël. Les cadeaux qu'elle a reçus pour Noël. So les cadeaux is before, the COD is before, so reçu will take a S. And if we shorten the sentence again, elle les a reçus pour Noël. Elle les a reçus pour Noël. Reçu takes a S. The next one we are going to see is prendre. Prendre, to take. Participe passé, pris. Pris with a S. Mon frère a pris les valises avec lui. Mon frère a pris les valises avec lui. Il a pris quoi? Les valises. Les valises, féminin pluriel. Les valises is the COD. So if we switch the sentence, and for this one the pronunciation change a bit. Les valises qu'il a prises avec lui. Les valises qu'il a prises avec lui. So here, because there is a E at the end, ES, we pronounce it because it activates kind of the S, prise. If it was only masculin pluriel, we will not double the S. It will stay like that. Okay? So if we shorten the sentence again, il les a prises avec lui. Il les a prises avec lui. Numéro 5, lire. Lire, to read. Participe passé, lu. Lu. Les enfants ont lu des bandes dessinées hier. Les enfants ont lu des bandes dessinées hier. Bande dessinée is féminin pluriel. So, les enfants ont lu quoi? Des bandes dessinées. Des bandes dessinées is the COD. So if we switch the sentence again, les bandes dessinées qu'ils ont lues hier. Les bandes dessinées qu'ils ont lues hier. Well, in this case, since bande dessinée is féminin pluriel, lu becomes féminin pluriel, so we add ES. Then if we shorten the sentence, les enfants les ont lus hier. Les enfants les ont lus hier. Same thing, ES. Next week we'll see our last lesson about passé composé, unless you have the question and I will then make one more video about it. Just let me know in the comments. Next week's lesson will be passé composé with être, to be. So we have a rule to know when the verb is conjugated with être. So remember, most of the time it's with avoir, but sometimes it's with être. So that's what we are going to see next Monday. I hope you enjoy, I hope you learned something. Don't forget to leave me a comment if you have a question about this or about anything. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, it really helps me. You can connect with me on my Instagram, my Facebook page, and this YouTube channel, and I will see you soon for another lesson.